Okay. ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्तस्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे विशेषज्ञानाञ्जलि पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जय श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासति गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. Nityangi Mataji, your host, you can make me co-host.
Okay, Mataji.
Yeah. Till then, there are some announcements to be made because this is the last session of Sri Gaur Purnima.
Mataji, raise your hand, Mataji, please. Okay. I'm not finding you.
1 minute. Where is it? It's Naminishta Prabhu's name. You can just search. Not
Sorry,
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. So here you are, Mataji. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So there are some few announcements which has to be made. So this is the last online retreat of Nitai Gauranga Challenge. So I really thank you all of you for being a part of this Nitai Gauranga Challenge. Still, I think 2 more days are there, 1st and 2nd of March. So I don't want you to lose your enthusiasm, not just for Nitai Gauranga Challenge. It should move on. Like, it's not just for this 30 days, it should go on for your lifetime. That you should not lose the enthusiasm of Krishna consciousness. So every day try to attend Mangalarti. Don't be only challenge oriented कि challenge में आ गए सिर्फ हम इसके लिए attend करेंगे. No, please do attend every day. Every day take it as a challenge. Today I have to get up to fight against Maya Devi. That way. And also that many of them have showered your love and blessings towards us. Many of you have sent beautiful gifts which are in our temple, which have come, which we have received. It's very, very beautiful, and not just me, the devotee who is receiving it also is astonished to see we have such creative devotees all around the world, and people are just sending us such a beautiful artworks. Some Mataji, they have done hand paintings of lotuses. Some Mataji have done Srinathji's painting, Kshitija Mataji has done, Bhakti Mataji has done Radha Ramanji's painting. Like, I'm not able to recall automatically, I need to see the list. But I think morning, I think Gaurav Prabhu is announcing in the Mangalarti who are sending what. I just sent him the list, so he's sending, telling over there. So we are really, somebody is sending the jewelry set. We are very happy that devotees, they can't come to temple every now and then, but in this way they are sending us love, sending love to Shri Shri Radha Govinda by their paintings, and so beautiful letters they are sending to us. It's we are very thankful. We are very grateful to all of you for sending such beautiful things. And we also request those who are on the way of sending the gifts, please do it quick, that it can come to Radha Govinda quick and we can offer it to Srila Prabhupada. So that's our idea. So I'll not waste my time. So on 3rd March, that is on Gaur Purnima, evening, I think around 5 or 5:30, we will put in the group, we will display these gifts. Whatever gifts you have sent, we will display it to the public, to Sri Sri Radha Govinda, Srila Prabhupada. We will offer it to them and we will show on the day of Gaur Purnima before the event starts. So we will send you the link, we will send you the list and also photographs of those gifts. So please be there, please encourage these devotees, and please we get inspired of these gifts, and you also can do it. Not just for Gaur Purnima, you can send for Ram Navami is coming, and ISKCON has festivals in every month, every week there is something new festival. If nothing is there, Ekadashi is to there. So please do send for the Lord, and it will be a very great opportunity for all of you to serve Him. So, we are very grateful to you all. Okay, so now we are starting the drama session. So, totally there will be 5 dramas. So, Kannada is going to play another drama. They are very enthusiastic team. They have planned 2 dramas. Haribol to those team members, because one drama we are struggling, then they have
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I think we lost Mataji.
Mataji.
um,
Her network was stuck, I think, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
the set, and after that word, then
Hare Krishna Mataji, little low network at your end, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can you hear me?
Now we can hear you. Hare Krishna.
This is the line, so please be there. Telugu kids are going to perform, so it's something really, really wonderful that kids are going to perform, our young devotees. Please be there and please encourage them by giving some reactions, online reactions, so that they will feel encouraged. So this way. Yes, Nityangi Mataji, over to you. You can take over now.
Hare Krishna Mataji, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your kind words. Thanks for this opportunity also. So here is the narration of our story. Hare Krishna, everyone, respected devotees and dear audience. We are happy to present our drama titled Prema, the Supreme Staff. The pastime is taken from Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela, chapter 5. After accepting sannyasa, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, played by Rashmi Mataji, was traveling to Jagannathapuri, Neelachala Pradesha. In his hand, he carried the Tridanda. The staff represents discipline and renunciation. Walking beside him was Nityananda Mahaprabhu, played by Vinita Mataji. Nityananda Mahaprabhu knew that Lord Chaitanya is not an ordinary sannyasi. He is the Supreme Lord, full of love and mercy. Accompanying them were the dear devotees Mukunda Datta, played by Usha Mataji, Jagadananda Pandita, played by Lakshmi Mataji, Avadhuta Chandra, played by Jayalakshmi Mataji, Damodara Pandita, played by Kavita Mataji, Srivasa Thakur, played by Sunita Mataji, and last but not the least, a senior Vaishnava, played by Ravi Prabhu. While the Lord was resting, Nityananda Mahaprabhu gently took the staff and broke it into 3 pieces. The devotees were shocked. The staff was sacred for a sannyasi. Later, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked, "Where is my staff?" Nityananda Mahaprabhu humbly replied, "I broke it." He did not act out of disrespect, but out of deep love. He felt that in this age of Kali, people need mercy more than strict rules. They need love more than fear. At the end, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced Nityananda, showing that this act was pure devotion. Now, with this understanding of the beautiful message behind this pastime, let us watch and experience the drama unfold before us. Hare Krishna, all devotees from Kannada team. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೀಮ್ದವರು all Kannada devotees, please raise your hands. I'm muted everyone. Please, whenever your turn comes, you unmute yourself. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡ್ರಾಮಾದಲ್ಲಿರೋರು ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಟರ್ನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಗೌರಾಂಗ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ದಂಡ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನವದ್ವೀಪದ ಸುಖಮಯ ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ತೊರೆದ ಗೌರಾಂಗ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭುಗಳು ಸನ್ಯಾಸ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿ ನೀಲಾಚಲದತ್ತ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣನ ವಿರಹದ ಜ್ವಾಲೆ, ಕಣ್ಣಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಶ್ರುಧಾರೆ, ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಯಮದ ಸಂಕೇತವಾದ ತ್ರಿದಂಡ. ಅವರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದವರು ಮುಕುಂದದತ್ತ, ಜಗದಾನಂದ ಪಂಡಿತ, ಅವಧೂತ ಚಂದ್ರ, ದಾಮೋದರ ಪಂಡಿತ, ಶ್ರೀವಾಸ್ ಠಾಕೂರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವೃದ್ಧ ವೈಷ್ಣವ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಮುಕುಂದದತ್ತರು ಹೀಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಭು ಈಗ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ. ಅವರ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯು ಈ ದಂಡವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ದಂಡವಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ದೇಹ, ಮನಸ್ಸು, ವಾಕ್ಯ ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸುವ ಸಂಕೇತ.
ಹೌದು, ಈಗ ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ನಿಯಮಬದ್ಧ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, ಸಂಜೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಾನುಸಾರವಾಗಿಯೇ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಯ ಜೀವನ ಅವನ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಯ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅವನ ದಂಡದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ದಂಡವಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಸನ್ಯಾಸ ಅಪೂರ್ಣ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಭು ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಜಾಗೃತರಾಗಿ ಅವರ ಬಳಿಯೇ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಗೌರ, ನೀವು ಯಾರು? ನೀವು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಸ್ವತಃ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ನೀವು ರಾಧಾ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಬಂದ ಪ್ರೇಮಮಯ ಅವತಾರ. ಈ ದಂಡವು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣದ ಸಂಕೇತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ ದಂಡ ದೇಹ, ಮನಸ್ಸು, ವಾಕ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಭು. ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳಪಡುವವರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೇಹ ದಿವ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ರಾಧಾ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಾಣಿ ಮಹಾಮಂತ್ರ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಗು ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಮೋಹಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಭು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣೀರು ಹೃದಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕರಗಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಭು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಾಮ ಸಂಕೀರ್ತನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜೀವಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾಪಗಳಿಂದ ಮುಕ್ತಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಪ್ರಭು. ಪ್ರಭು, ಪ್ರೇಮವನ್ನು ದಂಡದಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿಹಾಕಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಪ್ರಭು? ಅನಂತ ಗಂಗೆಯನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದಿಡಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಪ್ರಭು?
ನಿತಾಯ್ ಪ್ರಭು, ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ದಂಡವನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಗೃತೆಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಯ ದಂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಹತ್ವವಾದದ್ದು.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು, ಮಹತ್ವವಾದದ್ದು. ಈ ದಂಡವು ಗೌರನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಬಾರದು.
ಹರಿ ಹರಿ, ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ? ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮುರಿದಿರಿ?
ಹರಿ ಹರಿ, ಹರಿ ಹರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಏಕೆ ಮುರಿದಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಪ್ರಭುವು ಕೋಪಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಸನ್ಯಾಸ ಧರ್ಮಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಪಚಾರ.
ಏನು? ಇದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಯ ದಂಡವನ್ನು ಮುರಿಯುವುದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ? ಇದು ನಿಜವೇ ಅಥವಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ಭುತ ರಹಸ್ಯ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಡಗಿದೆಯೇ? ದಾಮೋದರ ಪಂಡಿತರೇ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುವಿರಾ?
ನೀವು ಹೊರಗೆ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಘಟನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆದರೆ ನಿತಾಯ ಪ್ರಭುವಿನ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಘಟನೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಿತಾಯ ಪ್ರಭುವು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಭಕ್ತರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವತಃ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಅವತಾರ. ಅವರು ಮಾಡುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯವೂ ಭಗವಂತನ ಪ್ರಭುವಿನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಪ್ರತಿರೂಪ.
ನಾನು ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ? ಇದು ಕೋಪದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸ. ತಾಯಿ ತನ್ನ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಕಷ್ಟವನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಾರಳು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಾಯ್ ಪ್ರಭು ಗೌರನ ತ್ಯಾಗವನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಾರ. ಅವರ ಹೃದಯ ಪ್ರೇಮದಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿದೆ.
ನಿತಾಯ್, ನಿತಾಯ್, ನನ್ನ ದಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಪ್ರಭು, ಆ ದಂಡ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು.
ಇಲ್ಲವೆಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ?
ಪ್ರಭು, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮುರಿದಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಪ್ರಭು.
ನಿತಾಯ್, ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ?
ಪ್ರಭು, ನೀವು ದಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಲಂಬಿತರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು. ನೀವು ನಿಯಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳಪಟ್ಟವರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು. ನೀವು ನಿಯಮಗಳ ಸ್ವರೂಪ. ಈ ದಂಡವು ಭಕ್ತನ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣಕ್ಕೆ, ಆದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಅದು ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮೀರಿ ಹರಿಯುವ ಸಮುದ್ರ. ಜನರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ದೂರದಿಂದ ಭಯದಿಂದ ನೋಡಬಾರದು ಪ್ರಭು. ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹತ್ತಿರ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಿ ಪ್ರಭು. ಈ ಕಲಿಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರು ದುರ್ಬಲರು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಯಮ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿಯಮಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕರುಣೆ ಬೇಕು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅನುಭವ ಬೇಕು. ಅವರಿಗೆ ದಂಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆಲಿಂಗನ ಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಭು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಧ ದಂಡವಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಭು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಧ ಹರಿನಾಮ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಧ ಕರುಣೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಯುಧ ಅಶ್ರು ಪ್ರಭು.
ನಿತಾಯ್, ನೀನು ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಅರಿತುಕೊಂಡಿರುವೆ. ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಿನಿಂದ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ, ಆದರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೇಮದ ದಾಸ.
ಈಗ ನನಗೆ ಅರ್ಥವಾಯಿತು. ನಿಯಮಗಳು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಭಗವಂತನ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತವೆ, ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕರೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತದೆ.
ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವರು ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ಪಾಲಿಸಿದರು. ಆದರೆ ಇಂದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರೇಮ ನಿಯಮಗಳನ್ನು ಮೀರಿದ ಕ್ಷಣ. ಇಂದು ನಾನು ಅರಿತುಕೊಂಡೆ, ಭಗವಂತ ನಿಯಮಗಳಿಂದ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಭಗವಂತ ಪ್ರೇಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂಧಿತರಾಗುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್,
ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್, ಹರಿ
ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್,
ಹರಿ
ಹರಿ
ಬೋಲ್.
ಬೋಲ್.
ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್, ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್.
ಆ ದಿನ ದಂಡ ಮುರಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಹಂಕಾರ ಮುರಿಯಿತು. ಆ ದಿನ ದಂಡ ಮುರಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಭಯ ಮುರಿಯಿತು. ನಿಯಮ ಮುರಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನಿಯಮದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಕಠಿಣತೆ ಕಠೋರತೆ ಮುರಿಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೇಲಿರುವೆ ಎಂದು ಪ್ರೇಮ ಘೋಷಿಸಿತು. ನಾವು ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಯದಿಂದ ನೋಡುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ ಎಂಬುದು ಮುಖ್ಯ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಯಮಗಳಿವೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ದಂಡಗಳಿವೆ. ಅಹಂಕಾರದ ದಂಡ, ತೀರ್ಪಿನ ದಂಡ, ಇತರರನ್ನು ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸುವಂತ ದಂಡ. ಇಂದು ಈ ದಂಡವನ್ನ ಮುರಿಯಲಿ ಅಂತೂ ನಾವು ನಿತಾಯ್ ಪ್ರಭುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇಮವೇ ಪರಮ ದಂಡವಾಗಲಿ. ನೀತಾಯ್ ಪಾದ ಕಮಲ ಕೋಟಿ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸುಶೀತಲ. ನೀತಾಯ್ ಪಾದ ಕಮಲ ಕೋಟಿ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸುಶೀತಲ. जे छाया जग ताजोरा आय हे नो निताय बिने भाई राधा कृष्ण पाए तेनाय. दृढ़ कोरी धरो निताय पाय ನೀತಾಯ್ ಪಾದ ಕಮಲ ಕೋಟಿ ಚಂದ್ರ ಸುಶೀತಲ. ಜಯ ನೀತಾಯ್ ಗೌರಾಂಗ जय निताय गौरांगा, जय निताय गौरांगा, जय श्रीला प्रभुपाद, जय जय गुरुदेवा, जय 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 हरि बोल, जय जय हरि बोल, जय जय हरि हरि बोल. Thank you everyone. Hare Krishna.
हरि बोल. हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल.
हरि बोल. हरि बोल.
Hare Krishna. Gunashri Mataji, I will make you host, Mataji.
Yeah, Mataji, you can make, yeah. Okay, Mataji.
Now you are a host, Mataji. Oh, no.
You can make Sukanya Mataji host, Mataji. Next is Tulu.
Okay. No, Mataji, I made you, Mataji. You have to
Okay, Mataji,
make
I'll
her.
make it. Okay.
Okay.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Very nice
Hare
done,
Krishna.
Mataji. Hari Bol. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, I'm Pooja
All glories to
Mataji.
Srila Prabhupada.
And you can make me co-host, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Now next is Tulu na Mataji.
Yes, okay, and after that Marathi, na? After that Marathi, na?
Sure, Mataji. I'll make you host.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm Shachi Mataji. Shachi. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा.
सुकन्या माताजी मुझे को होस्ट बना दीजिएगा.
यस माताजी. कैन यू स्टार्ट?
जी हरि बोल.
ओके. अभी हम लोग भगवान चैतन्य महाप्रभु कैसा भगवान का पवित्र नाम से एक धोबी का मन परिवर्तन किया है, ये नाटक तुलु टीम अभी करके दिखाने वाला है. तो अभी मतलब तुलु सबको थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आएगा, मलयालम मराठी ऐसा, इसके लिए थोड़ा मैं हिंदी में इसका सारांश बोलने वाली है. एक मिनट. एक बार एक विनम्र धोबी बहुत गरीबी में जीवन व्यतीत करता था. वो प्रतिदिन कड़ी मेहनत करता था, फिर भी उसका मन सांसारिक चिंताओं में ही लगा रहता था और आध्यात्मिक जीवन में उसकी आस्था बहुत कम थी. एक दिन श्री चैतन्य महाप्रभु वहाँ से गुजर रहते थे और भगवान का पवित्र नाम हरि बोल का कीर्तन कर रहे थे. उनका कीर्तन गहरी प्रेम और भक्ति से भरा हुआ था. महाप्रभु ने उस धोबी से कहा कि वो बस हरि बोल का जप करे. पहले तो धोबी हिचकिचाया और बोला, मैं बहुत गरीब और पापी हूँ, मेरे पास देने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है. महाप्रभु ने स्नेहपूर्वक उत्तर दिया, तुम्हें कुछ देने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, केवल भगवान का पवित्र नाम जपो. जैसे ही धोबी ने जप करना शुरू किया, एक अद्भुत परिवर्तन हुआ. उसका हृदय शुद्ध हो गया, उसकी आंखों से आंसू बहने लगे और उसे अपार आनंद का अनुभव हुआ. वो खुशी से नाचने लगा और जोर जोर से भगवान का नाम जपने लगा. ये परिवर्तन देखकर अन्य लोग भी नाम जपने और नाचने लगे. जल्दी ही पूरा क्षेत्र भक्ति और आनंद से भर गया. लोग आश्चर्यचकित थे कि केवल भगवान के पवित्र नाम ने ही धोबी के हृदय को बदल दिया. इस प्रकार एक कहानी दिखाती है कि भगवान का पवित्र नाम ही सबके हृदय में कृष्ण प्रेम को जागृत करने की शक्ति रखता है. आशा माता जी. हरे कृष्ण.
Now we are playing Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Washerman's story. Once a humble washerman lived a very poor life. Though he worked hard every day, he remained attached to worldly thoughts and had little faith in spiritual life. One day, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu passed by chanting the holy name of the Lord, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. His chanting was filled with deep love and devotion. Mahaprabhu asked the washerman to simply chant Hari Bol. At first, the washerman hesitated and said, I am very poor and sinful. I have nothing to offer. Mahaprabhu gently replied, You do not need to give anything, just chant the holy name. As the washerman began chanting, a wonderful change took place. His heart became purified, tears flowed from his eyes, and he felt great joy. He started dancing in happiness, loudly chanting the Lord's name. Seeing this transformation, others also began to chant and dance. Soon, the entire area was filled with devotion and happiness. People were amazed to see how the holy name alone had changed the washerman's heart. Thus, this story shows that the holy name revealed its power to awaken love for Krishna in everyone. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. ಎನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿದ ಶಿಷ್ಯನಕುಲೆ ಅಲ್ಪ ತುಲೆ ಅಲ್ಪ ಒಂಜು ಪೊರ್ಲುದ ಜಾಗಡು ಪರತೊಂದು ಪೋಪಿನ ನೀರದ ಬರಿಟ್ ಏರೋ ಒರಿ ಆಯ್ನ ಕುಂಟುಲೇನು ಮಾತ ಅರ್ದೊಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತ ಇತ್ತ ಅರಿನಡೆಗೆ ಹೋದು ಆಯ್ ಕುಂಟರ್ದನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಭಗವಂತನ ನಾಮನು ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಮಲ್ಪುಲೇಕ ಆಯ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊರಡು ಬಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾತ ಆ ರೀತಿ ನಡೆಗೆ ಪೋಯಿ
आओ महाप्रभुले नम मातारे नडे पोई
आओ महाप्रभुले नम माता आ रित नडेगे पोई कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे 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 रामा राम राम हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल.
ಅಯ್ಯ ಜೀವಾತ್ಮ ಇರು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಇರನ ಕುಂಟುಲೇನು ಮಾತ ಈ ಪೊರ್ಲುದ ತುದೆತ ಬರಿಟೆ ಅರ್ದುನೆ
ಅಂದು ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು
ಅಂಚಂಡ ఏ పాండలేరెగు ಇದನ್ನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಕರ್ಮಲೇನು ಮಂತೊಂದು ಪುನಗ ಇರೆನ ಮನಸ್ಸುಡು ಭಗವಂತನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ದಾದಾಂಡಲ ಆಲೋಚನೆಲು ಬೈದಲೆ
ఇచ్చి మహాప్రభు
ఈ మహాప్రభులు ఎన్నడ తాయగీత శోకుడు పాత్రులున్నారు దాదాండలు ఎన్నర్దు భిక్షణ అపేక్ష మల్తుందులేరా దాదాండల ఆవడు ఎన్న దారిద్ర్యದ సత్యాంశను అరెడపనుడు.
అయ్యా మహాప్రభు ఎన్నడ ఇరెగు కొరియర దాల ఇజ్జి
ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಜೀವಾತ್ಮ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ದಾಲ ಇರೆಡ್ಡು ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಎಂಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಓಡಿತೀನಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಷಯ
ಅಂದೆ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ಇರೆಗೆ ಏನಡ ದಾಲ ಭಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊರ್ಚೆ ಅಪ್ಪಂಡ ಇರೆಗೆ ದಾದೆ ಬೋಡಂದು ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು
ಅಂಚಂಡ ಇತ್ತ ದಾದ ಮನ್ಪೊಡು ಪಂಡ ಮಾತ ಲೋಕದ ಒಡೆಯ ಆಯ್ನ ಭಗವಂತನ ಗುಣಗಾನ ಮನ್ಪೊಡು ಹೊರಗು ಹರಿ ಭೋಲ್ ಪಂದು ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾದ ಪನೋಡು ಅವು ಭಗವಂತದು ಕೇಳೋಡು ಅಪಗ ಭಗವಂತ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಎಂಕ್ ಎನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸನೇ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಉಂಡು ಅವೆನು ಬುಡ್ದು ಈರಿ ಪಂಡಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹರಿಬೋಲ್ ಪನ್ನದ ಎನ್ನಡ ಪುರ್ಸತಿಜ್ಜಿ ಯಾನು ಹರಿಬೋಲ್ ಪನ್ನದ ಕುಂಡದ ಎನ್ನ ಕುಂಟಾಡ್ದನ ಕೆಲಸವು ಮಸ್ತ್ ತೊಂದರೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು.
ಜೀವಾತ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ನೀ ಯಾನು ಮನ್ಪೆ ದಯವಂತದು ಹೊರಗು ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್ ಪನ್ನದು ಪಲ್ಲ ಅಂಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸನು ಉಂಟಾದ ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್ ಪಲ್ಲ ಪಂದು ಯಾನು ನಿನ್ನಡ ಪನೊಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಈ ಕೆಲಸನು ಮಂತೋಂದೆ ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್ ಪಲ್ಲ
ಅಂದೆ ಎನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಈರ್ ಮಲ್ಪುವರೆ ಎನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಈರ್ ಮಲ್ಪುವರೆಂದಂಡ ಯಾರು ಈರ್ ಪಂಡಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೇ ಮಲ್ಪೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಿರುಲೆ ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್
ಆತ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಒಂಜಿ ರಡ್ಡು ಸರ್ತಿ ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್ ಬಂದು ಪನೊಲಿಯಾ
ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭು ಕುಡರ ಬಂತೆ ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್
ಕುಂಟರ್ದು ನಾಯಗ ನಿಜವಾಯಿನ ಹರಿಬೋಲ್ ಪಂದು ತನ್ನ ರಡ್ಡು ಕೈನ್ಲ ಮಿತ್ತದೆತ್ತದು ನಲ್ಪರೆ ಸುರು ಮಲ್ಪೇರು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಒಂದುಂಡು ಅರೆಗ್ ಅವೇ ಪೊರ್ತುಗು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಅರೆನ ಬುಡೆದಿಲ ಅರೆಗ್ ಒಣಸು ಪತ್ತೊಂದು ಬರ್ಪೇರು ಕಂಡನೆ ನಲ್ಪುನ ತೂದು ಬುಡೆದಿಗ್ ಪೋಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಪುಡಿತೆ ಮೇರೆಗ್ ಮರ್ಲು ಗಿರ್ಲು ಶುರು ಆತುಂಡ ದಾದ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಯಾನಿರೆಗ್ ಒಣಸು ಪತ್ತೊಂದು ಬೈದೆ ನಿಂಚದಾತೆಯರು ಹರಿಬೋಲ್ ಬಂದು ನಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲರತೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಎನ್ನ ವಿಧಿಯೇ ಇದು ದಾದ ಇಂಚಿನ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಲು ಎನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣನಗೆ ದಾಯ ಕೊರಿಯರು ಯಾನಿತ್ತೆ ದಾದ ಮಲ್ಪೋಡು ದಾದೆ ಇರೆ ಎನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣನಗೆ ದಾದ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇರೆ ದಾದ ಊಟ ಪಿಶಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪತ್ತೊಂದುಂಡೆ ದಾಲ ಉಪ್ಪಡು ಯಾರು ಊಟ ಜನಕುಲೆ ಪೂಡಿ ಯಾರು ಲೆಪ್ಪು ಯಾರು ಓ ಅಣ್ಣನಗುಲೆ ಓ ಅಕ್ಕನಗುಲೆ ಹೊರಬಲೆ ಎನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣನೆ ಹರಿಬೋಲ್ ಬಂದು ನಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೇರು ನನಗೆ ದಾದ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಕುಂಟರ್ದು ನಾಯನ ಬುಡೆದಿ ಊರ್ದ ಜನಕುಲೆ ಪೂರಾ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ತದ ತನ್ನ ಕಂಡನನ ವಿಷಯಡು ಜನಕುಲೆ ತೆರಿಪಾವೆರು ಅಪ್ಪಗ ಊರ್ದಗುಲು ಮಾತಾ ಬತ್ತದ ಅರೆನ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ತೂಪೇರು ಆಂಡ ಆರು ಭಗವಂತನ ಭಾವ ರೂಪಡು ಈತು ಮಗ್ನ ಆದುಪ್ಪೇರು ಹರಿಬೋಲ್ ಪನ್ಪಿನೇನ ಉಂತಾವುಜೆರು ಅರೆಗ ಪಿದಾಯ್ದ ಮತಿಯೇ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಐತ ಬದಲಾದ ಅರೆನ ಮುಟ್ಟಿನ ಮಾತಾ ಊರ್ದ ಜನಕುಲು ಹರಿಬೋಲ್ ಬಂದು ಭಗವಂತನ ಮಿತ್ತದ ಮೋಕೆಡು ಮುರ್ಕುದೇ ಪೋಯರು ಮುಂದೆನು ತೂಯಿನ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಭುಗಳು ಖುಷಿಟ್ಟು ಅರೆನ ಶಿಷ್ಯರನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೂ ಬೇತೆ ಊರಿಗೆ ಪೋಯರು ನೆಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ದಾದ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಲ್ತು ನೋಡುಪಂಡ ಹರಿನಾಮದ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಹೆಚ್ಚ ಉಂಡು ಬಂದು ಹರಿಬೋಲ್
ಶಿಷ್ಯರ್ನಕಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬತ್ತಿನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾತ ಆಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡ ಬೇತೆ ಊರು ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಮಂತರೆ ಪೋಯಿ ಹರಿ ಬೋಲ್
ಪ್ರಣಾದಪಿ ಸುನೀಚೇನ ತರೋರಪಿ ಸಹಿಷ್ಣುನಾ ಆಮಾನಿನಾ ಮಾನದೇನ ಕೀರ್ತನೇಯ ಸದಾ ಹರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದ ಸಾಗಿಡು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಏರು ತೊರ್ತುಂಡಲ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಳ್ಮೆಡು ನಿತ್ತು ಬರಿ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆದ ಭಾವನೆಡು ದೂರ ಪೋವು ವಿನಮ್ರ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಡು ಭಗವಂತನ ಜಪನು ಜಪಿಸಬಹುದು ಅಂಚನೆ ಮಾತೆನೆಗಳ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡು ಅಂಚಿನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಡು ನಮ್ಮ ಭಗವಂತನ ಪವಿತ್ರ ನಾಮನು ಜಪ ಮಂತಲ್ಲ ಭಗವಂತನ ಕೃಪೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಆವರೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಪುಂಡು. ಹರೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಹರೇ 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 ರಾಮ 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 ಹರೇ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣ 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 ಹರೇ ಹರೇ हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरी बोल.
हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण.
हरी बोल माता जी. वेरी नाइस माता जी. माता जी
हरे कृष्णा. वेरी नाइस माता जी.
हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna, Hare Ora, very nice drama.
हरे कृष्णा. सुकन्या माता जी, सच्ची माता को आप होस्ट बना देंगे. नेक्स्ट ड्रामा इज बाय मराठी टीम.
Marathi team, yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji, you can start.
Yes, Hare Krishna, all Marathi participants, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Everybody can raise their hand so that I can unmute all of you. Hare Krishna, all Marathi participants ready? Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.
Yes, Mataji.
माताजी आवाज येतोय माझा ऐकू? हरे कृष्णा.
Yes, Mataji, everybody is audible. Okay. We are starting with the drama. I'm starting with the yes, I'm starting with the theme. So everybody please be ready. Hare Krishna.
Ready, Mataji.
रेडी माताजी. रेडी माताजी.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, सादर प्रणाम to all. हरे कृष्ण प्रिय भक्तों, कृपया मेरा विनम्र प्रणाम स्वीकार कीजिए. आज हम चैतन्य महाप्रभु के अवतरण पर मराठी में एक नाटिका प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. सबसे पहले श्रीमती राधा रानी और भगवान श्री कृष्ण इनके बीच में पृथ्वी पर अवतरण के बारे में गोलोक वृंदावन में चर्चा होगी. फिर हम देखेंगे कि पूज्य अद्वैत आचार्य ने पृथ्वी पर क्या क्या स्थिति देखी और वह स्थिति देखकर वो इतने दुखित हो गए कि उन्होंने भगवान को गहरी प्रार्थना की और वह प्रार्थना गोलोक तक पहुंच गई और भगवान नवद्वीप में जगन्नाथ मिश्रा और शची माता के छोटे पुत्र के रूप में प्रकट हो गए. इसके बाद अब देखेंगे कि अगले भाग में हम देखेंगे कि प्रत्यक्ष चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने अपने सभी पार्षदों को किस प्रकार हरिनाम संकीर्तन और पवित्र नाम इसके बारे में मार्गदर्शन किया है. इन सभी की चर्चा होगी और उनके सेनापति की गुरु शिष्य परंपरा के साथ अवतरण होगा. हरे कृष्ण. इसी को मैं इंग्लिश में बताऊंगी. हम मराठी में ये ड्रामा प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं. सो हिंदी भाषिकों के लिए हिंदी में और इंग्लिश में मैं इसी की दे रही हूँ. सो आई एम ऑडिबल माताजी ना? हरे कृष्ण.
यस माताजी, ऑडिबल.
तो इंग्लिश में मैं प्रस्तावना दे रही हूँ. Hare Krishna, all dear devotees, please accept my humble obeisances today. Today we are going to present a drama on Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's appearance in Marathi. First of all, there will be a discussion between Srimati Radharani and Bhagwan Lord Sri Krishna about descent on the earth in Golok Vrindavan. Then we'll see what situation Advait Acharya is observing on the earth, and because of that he is really getting very sad and he is intensely praying Lord so that those prayers are reaching to the Golok Vrindavan. And that way Lord has appeared in Navadvip as Jagannath Mishra and Shachi Mata's younger son. In next part we'll see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has guided all his parshads, that is disciples, nicely about spreading Harinam Sankirtan and holy name. The Mahati of holy name, the importance of holy name, and his discussions, all those by the disciplic succession, will see the entry of his Senapati. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Let's start with the Marathi drama, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Avtaran. Hare Krishna. मुग्धा माताजी, you can start. Hare Krishna. हरे कृष्ण.
सर्वांना आज आपण गोलोक वृंदावन जाऊया. तिथे श्रीमती राधाराणी आणि भगवान श्रीकृष्ण यांचं बोलणं सुरू आहे बरं का. आता ते काय बरं बोलत असतील हे आपण सर्वांनी ऐकूया हा.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम.
संजीवनी माताजी.
Hare Krishna Mataji. I think Mataji is on mute.
माताजी त्यांना
Unmute yourself, Reena Mataji. Lord Sri Krishna Hare.
माताजी स्टार्ट.
Yes Mataji, Hare Krishna.
सॉरी. हे राधे, द्वापार युगामध्ये मी भागवतगीतेच्या माध्यमातून सर्वांना उपदेश करून संतुष्ट झालोय. आता तुझ्या हृदयातील माझ्या प्रती जो प्रेम आहे त्याचे आस्वादन करायला मी स्वतः या भूलोकामध्ये तुझा वर्ण घेऊन आणि तुझे भाव घेऊन जाईल आणि प्रत्येकाला हरे कृष्ण महामंत्राचे म्हणजे कृष्ण प्रेमाचे वितरण करेल आणि या पृथ्वीवर कृष्ण चैतन्य महाप्रभू म्हणून मी या भक्त रूपामध्ये अवतरित होईल.
हे भगवान, मी खूप धन्य झाले. जसे तुम्ही वृंदावन धाम मध्ये लीला केल्या तसेच नवद्वीप धाम मध्ये लीला तुमच्या घडते संपन्न होते. तुमच्या आनंदासाठी मी नवद्वीप धामाची निर्मिती करेल. माझा भाव तुमच्या प्रती जो आहे तो घेऊन तुम्ही कृष्ण प्रेमरसाचे आस्वादन करू शकाल आणि सर्वांना कृष्ण प्रेमामध्ये डुंबून टाकाल. हरी 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 हरी.
आता आपण सर्वांनी मिळून पृथ्वी तलावर येऊया आणि तिथं काय बरं घडतंय आपण सर्वांनी मिळून पाहूया. नको 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 बाळांनो, हे घोर पाप आहे. असं मद्यपान तुम्ही करू नका रे बाळांनो. हा खूप घोर अनर्थ आहे बाळांनो. नको नको हे करू नका तुम्ही, हे पाप आहे बाळांनो. अरे बाप रे, केवढा अनर्थ, केवढा घोर पाप होत इथे. अरे माझ्या बांधवांनो, असा मांसाहार करू नका रे बाळांनो. पशुहत्या हे पाप आहे रे, खूप घोर अपराध घडतो आहे. माझ्या बाळांनो, असे पाप करू नका हो. हरी 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 हरी, हे मी काय पाहतोय. अरे माझ्या मुनीजनांनो, असा जुगार तुम्ही खेळू नका रे, हा घोर अपराध आहे रे. माझ्या बाळांनो, तुम्ही माझं ऐका हो, असा जुगार तुम्ही खेळू नका हो. हे कृष्णा, हे मी काय पाहतोय, घोर अपराध महापाप. माझ्या बंधू भगिनींनो, अशी अनैतिकता करू नका हो तुम्ही. असा दुराचार तुम्ही करू नका हो. हे भगवान, या भूतलावर असे सर्व जीवात्मे या भौतिक सुखामध्ये ग्रासलेले आहेत. त्यांची दुर्दशा हे भगवान मला पाहता येत नाहीये. हे प्रभू, आपण प्रकट व्हा. प्रभू अवतार घ्या. प्रभू प्रकट व्हा. कलियुगाचा युगधर्म तर नाम संकीर्तन यज्ञ आहे. यासाठी प्रभू तुम्ही स्वतः भक्त रूपात प्रकट व्हा. प्रभू प्रकट व्हा. अवतार घ्या. प्रभू अवतार घ्या. छोटस तुलसी दल आणि थोडस गंगाजल जेव्हा कोणी भक्त तुम्हाला अर्पण करतो प्रभू, तेव्हा तुम्ही स्वतःला देखील त्याला विकून टाकता हो आणि त्या भक्ताच्या पायाशी तुम्ही आपलं संपूर्ण जीवन समर्पित करता हो. माझ्यासारख्या अशा भक्ताच्या इच्छेकरता प्रभू प्रकट व्हा, प्रभू अवतार घ्या, प्रभू प्रभू प्रकट व्हा. या पृथ्वीवरती पापाचा भार इतका वाढला आहे प्रभू. या साऱ्या जीवात्म्यांच्या उद्धाराकरता प्रभू प्रकट व्हा, प्रभू अवतार घ्या, प्रभू अवतार घ्या. हे धर्मरक्षक भगवान, माझ्यासारख्या हीन दीन तुच्छ जीवांच्या उद्धारासाठी कल्याणासाठी प्रभू स्वयं तुम्ही प्रकट व्हा, प्रभू प्रभू अवतार घ्या, प्रभू प्रभू प्रकट व्हा, प्रभू प्रकट व्हा. शके 14:07 फाल्गुन पौर्णिमेच्या दिवशी चंद्रग्रहण घडलं आणि संध्या समयी हरी हरी हरे कृष्ण 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 असं सगळीकडे गजर सुरू झाला. आणि त्या दिवशी काय घडलं? अशा संध्या समयी भगवान श्रीकृष्ण स्वयं चैतन्य महाप्रभूंच्या रूपामध्ये या भूतलावरती प्रकट झाले. चला तर मग आपण सर्वजण नवदीप धामाला जाऊया आणि तिथे जगन्नाथ मिश्रांच्या घरी शचीमातांच्या सोबत काय बरं घडतंय आपण सर्वांनी ते पाहूया.
मला तुझे शरीर ज्योतिर्मय दिसत आहे. मला असं वाटते आहे की जणू काही साक्षात श्री लक्ष्मीच आपल्या निवासस्थानी निवास करायला आली आहे. मी जिथे जिथे जातो तिथे लोक माझा सन्मान करत आहेत. मला न विचारता स्वेच्छेने धान्य, धन, वस्त्र हे अर्पण करीत आहे.
प्रभू, मला सुद्धा आकाशामध्ये तेजस्वी मानवी रूपे आणि अनेक देवी देवता दिसत आहेत आणि जणू काही वाटतंय ते आपल्यासाठी काहीतरी प्रार्थनाच करतायत. प्रभू,
मलाही एक स्वप्न पडलं होतं. त्या स्वप्नात मी असं पाहिलं की श्री भगवान यांचे दिव्य धाम हे माझ्या शरीरात, माझ्या हृदयात येऊन बसले आहे आणि ते माझ्या हृदयातून तुझ्या हृदयामध्ये त्याचे स्थानांतरण होत आहे. तर त्यामुळे मला असं नक्की वाटतं आहे की कोणतरी थोर व्यक्ती आपल्या पोटी जन्म घेणार आहे.
प्रभू, 13 महिने झाले तरीही कशा मला प्रसूती वेदना होत नाही आहेत. आपण माझे वडील निरांबर शास्त्री जे ज्योतिषी आहेत त्यांना विचारूया का?
नक्कीच, चला.
प्रभू, बाळ खूप रडतंय हो, खूप रडतंय बाळ, हे खूपच रडतंय.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे.
काय रडायचं? प्रभू, बाळ थांबलंय.
अशा पद्धतीने चैतन्य महाप्रभूंचं आता भूतलावरती नवदीप मायापूर धाम मध्ये अवतरण झाले. हरी 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 हरी.
हरिहराय नमः कृष्ण यादवाय नमः यादवाय माधवाय केशवाय नमः गोपाल गोविंद राम श्री मधुसूदना गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ मदन मोहना. हरिनाम संकीर्तन की
जय हो.
हरिनाम संकीर्तन की
जय हो.
हरिनाम संकीर्तन की
जय हो.
प्रिय अद्वैत, हरिनाम संकीर्तन आपल्याला गावोगावी घरोघरी जाऊन प्रत्येक जीवाला प्रदान करायचं आहे. कोणताही जीव हरिनाम पासून वंचित राहू नये हीच माझी इच्छा आहे.
हो प्रभू, जशी आज्ञा. या भूतलावर भरपूर सारे महात्मा जन
पाणी नाही होगा तो भर दे.
काळजी घ्या.
पण प्रभू, जेव्हा आम्ही त्यांना हरिनामाचं उच्चारण करायला सांगतो.
आएगा तो बोलेगा अब आया आंटी पानी तो भर दिया करो मेरा.
हरे कृष्ण.
Hare Krishna, please take care of your mic.
Yes, Mataji. हरे कृष्ण. मुग्धा माताजी. हरे कृष्ण.
प्रति आज्ञा प्रभू. या पृथ्वी तलावरती भरपूर सामान्य जन, महात्मा जन आणि ज्ञानी लोक आहेत. आम्ही जेव्हा त्यांना हरिनाम घ्यायला सांगतो त्यावेळेला मात्र ते चुप्प बसतात प्रभू. इतकेच नव्हे प्रभू, जेव्हा आम्ही स्वतः हरिनाम घेतो आणि आम्हाला ते पाहतात त्यावेळेला ते आमचा अगदी तिरस्कार करतात प्रभू. अशा लोकांना मग कसं बरं हरिनाम घ्यायला सांगायचंय? आता तुम्हीच आम्हाला मार्गदर्शन करा प्रभू. हरी 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 हरी.
महाप्रभो, काही लोक आम्हाला साधू वेशात पाहून चोर, डाकू, लुटारू समजतात. आम्हाला पाहून घराची दारे बंद करतात. घराच्या खिडकीमधून डोकावून निघून जा, निघून जा असे ओरडतात आम्हाला. काय करावे महाप्रभू? हरी 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 हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण.
श्रीवास, तरीही आपल्याला त्यांचा स्वीकार करायचा आहे. कधी आपल्याला सन्मान मिळेल तर कधी अवहेलना होईल. परंतु एका तृणाच्या पात्यापेक्षाही विनम्र होऊन आणि वृक्षाप्रमाणे सहनशील होऊन आपल्याला प्रत्येकाला हरिनामाचं मुक्त हस्ताने वितरण करायचं आहे. कोणाकडून कधीही सन्मानाची, आदराची अपेक्षा करायची नाहीये.
सर्वांविषयी आपण खूप प्रेम, करुणा असणारे आपले जसे हे चैतन्य महाप्रभू आहेत, तशी करुणा दाखवायची. सर्वांकडे प्रेमाने जाऊया, त्यांना हरिनाम घ्यायला सांगूया. प्रत्येक घरोघरी, प्रत्येक द्वारापाशी जाऊया आणि त्यांना सांगूया, हरिनाम घ्या, ओ घ्या, हरिनाम घ्या. हा पहा किती गोड आहे हे हरिनाम. ओह खूप छान आहे. फार कष्ट नाही लागत, अगदी छोटस आहे. एकदा घेऊन तरी पहा, तुम्हाला खूप आनंद होईल, खूप आनंद. सगळे कष्ट निघून जातील. काही ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला त्रास नाही होणार. पहा, एकदा घेऊन तरी पहा हरिनाम. ओ घ्या घ्या, ओ घ्या हरिनाम घ्या घ्या, पहा एकदा. असं जर आपण सर्वजण सगळ्यांना सांगू लागलो तर मला नक्की खात्री आहे की आपल्याला प्रत्यक्ष श्रीहरी मदत करतील. त्यांनीच आपल्याला आज्ञा दिली आहे, त्यांनीच आपल्याला ही सेवा करण्याची संधी दिली आहे. तर चला आपण घेऊया, प्रयत्न करून पाहूया. हरी 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 हरी.
हा गौरांग, आपल्याला सर्वांच्या हृदयामध्ये भक्तीचे बीज रोपण करायचे आहे. श्रवण, कीर्तन, हरिनाम संकीर्तनाच्या माध्यमातून त्यांना हरे कृष्ण महामंत्राच्या संकीर्तन, करताल आणि मृदुंगाच्या माध्यमातून तालावर नाचत आणि गात भावविभोर होण्यासाठी आपण त्यांना शिकवायचे आहे. त्यांना श्रीमती राधा राणींचा जसा कृष्णांप्रती भाव आहे तसं आपण शिकवायचे आहे. श्रीमती राधाराणी श्रीकृष्णांना कधीही विसरू शकत नाहीत. तसेच प्रत्येक जीवनाला आपण श्रीकृष्णांना कधीही विसरू देऊ नये हे आपण त्यांना शिकवणार आहोत. हे आपण त्यांना सहाय्य करायचे आहे. हरी 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 हरी.
होय, हरिनाम संकीर्तन कलियुगातील एकमेव धर्म आहे. हाच एकमेव उपाय आहे. हरे नाम हरेर नाम एव केवलम कलो नास्ति एव गतिरन्यथा.
हो महाप्रभू, आम्ही सर्वजण घरोघरी जाऊ, प्रचार करू, सर्वांना हरिनाम घ्यायला सांगू. कोणतेही पात्र अपात्र अट न ठेवता तुम्ही प्रत्येक जीवाला हरिनाम वितरित करीत आहात. तर प्रत्येक जीवापर्यंत आम्ही हरिनाम पोहोचवण्यासाठी दररोज प्रसार आणि प्रचार करू. श्री हरी श्री हरी 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 हरी.
हो हरिदास, या कलियुगातून भवसागर पार करण्यासाठी हरिनामाशिवाय दुसरा कोणताही उपाय नाही. हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरिनाम संकीर्तन की
जय हो
हरिनाम संकीर्तन की
जय हो
हरिनाम संकीर्तन की
जय हो नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन् इति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री
आपण सर्वांनी स्वागत करूया आपले इस्कॉनचे प्रमुख संस्थापक आचार्य श्री भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद यांचे, ज्यांनी संपूर्ण विश्वभर भगवद्गीता आणि भागवताचा प्रचार केला. पाश्चात्य देशामध्ये जाऊन त्यांनी कृष्ण भक्तीचं विज्ञान सर्वांना सांगितलं. इतकेच नव्हे, त्यांनी अनेक ग्रंथ लिहिले, अनेक अनुयायी बनवले, अनेक भक्त बनवले. असे जे चैतन्य महाप्रभूंचे सेनापती श्री भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद यांच्या चरणी आपण सादर प्रणाम करूया. श्रील प्रभुपाद की
जय.
श्रील प्रभुपाद की
जय.
श्रील प्रभुपाद की
जय.
हरे कृष्णा
हरि बोल. हरे कृष्णा
हरे
हरे
कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा
हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा
हरी बोल
खूप छान, सगळ्यांचं खूप छान झालं. हरे कृष्ण हरी बोल.
हरी बोल माताजी, खूपच छान,
मी
खूपच छान.
संकीर्तनला चाललोय आता.
हरे कृष्ण
हरे
हरी
कृष्णा.
बोल, हरी बोल.
हरे कृष्ण.
खूप छान हरी बोल.
हरी हरी.
बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसा नाटक कभी नहीं देखा हम लोग, इतना मराठी में भी समझ ले हम लोग, अच्छा हो गया, बहुत अच्छा मराठी वाले.
हरि बोल. हरि बोल.
हरी हरी. थैंक यू वेरी मच माताजी.
हरे
अभी
कृष्णा.
हम लोग ये यूट्यूब अपलोड करेंगे ना, सब लोग बोलेंगे मेरे को भी सिखा दो ऐसा करके. ऐसा मराठी वाले के पास आने वाला है ऑफर.
हरे कृष्णा माताजी.
हरे
हरे
कृष्ण.
कृष्णा
माताजी.
हरे
कृष्णा
कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्णा माताजी. हरे कृष्णा.
माताजी.
खूप छान, खूप छान,
प्रणाम.
हरे कृष्ण.
धन्यवाद. हरे कृष्णा.
खूप छान.
हरि बोल पिता माताजी.
हरे कृष्णा.
हरे
बहुत
कृष्ण.
सुंदर माताजी, बहुत सुंदर,
बहुत अच्छा की
बहुत अच्छा,
व्हेरी नाईस.
बहुत अच्छा.
हरे कृष्णा पूजा
Soulful.
माताजी. Can
Soulful,
you
माताजी,
just
soulful.
हरे कृष्णा. येस माताजी.
make me host? I think Tamil
Mataji.
theme is next.
येस माताजी. गुणवती ना. येस माताजी. 1 सेकेंड ना माताजी.
Yes, माताजी.
हरी बोल. बहुत सुंदर माताजी, सभी को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं.
धन्यवाद माताजी. युअर होस्ट माताजी.
Okay, thank you माताजी.
थँक्यू माताजी. हरे कृष्णा.
हरे कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा माताजी प्रभुजी.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Mataji, can you raise your hand, Mataji? I have to make you co-host for Tamil. Kumut Ravi Mataji.
Yes. Sorry माताजी.
I'll make you Mataji host.
याद वालेगा.
I made you host, Mataji.
Okay.
Yeah. You can start, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे.
Mataji, you are going to present the drama. Host.
ड्रामा नहीं माताजी.
Acha, okay.
Only short.
Tamil team, who is going to be the Hare Krishna? Mataji, can you make me host, Mataji?
Yes माताजी.
Start, Mataji.
Please make me host, Mataji. I thought you were
Mataji,
presenting.
you can click on Mataji's name, Gunashri Mataji's name, and make host. I think she doesn't know how to make the host, Mataji. Can you explain to her?
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Oh,
Okay.
Shri, yeah, madam.
Lakshmi Devi Mataji, Hare
Okay.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Tamil team, is there anyone representing Tamil team? If not, we'll continue with the Telugu team, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Shripada Mataji, Hare Krishna, your host. Hare Krishna, Sheila Mataji, your team is ready, Mataji?
Hare Krishna, Mataji. We'll check. Hare Krishna. Let me have them unmute. Yes, our team is ready. I'm going to unmute. Mataji, you're unmuted, right? Gayatri Mataji, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Gayatri Mataji. You're breaking a little, Mataji.
Mataji, you're the host.
Who's the host now?
You are the host.
Okay. So Gayatri Mataji, Hare Krishna. I'll make you the co-host so you can find the children and you can.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Can I tell kids to unmute themselves?
Yes. Please
Hare
go ahead.
Krishna, Hey Nita, Jyotishyam, Jyotiswarup, Ujjwal and Vedamshi. అందరూ అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి అమ్మా రెడీగా ఉండండి.
Hare Krishna, I just want to tell everybody that this is the Telugu kids performing. So please stay and please encourage them, please react and show them your support. Hare, thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna everyone. So today, as Sheila Mataji have said, our Telugu department kids of age 6 years, 7 years and 10 years are performing this beautiful drama which was taken from Chaitanya Charitamrita. So the story is The Offerings to Lord Gopal, and we have 5 beautiful kids who are doing this drama. So kid Henita is narrating the story. Jyotishyam is playing the Brahman character. Jyotish Swarup is playing Nimai's character, and Vedamshi, a little girl, is playing Vishwarupa Krishna's character in the story. So please encourage our kids toward the drama. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Vedamshi.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Would you just give a synopsis of the story and then tell the roles?
Yes, Mataji, sure.
Thank you.
Sure. So the story goes like a Brahmin who will be roaming around the world with his little Gopala's idol will come and stay at Navadvipa in Jagannatha Mishra's house, and how the Brahmin will be offering his prasad, and how little Nimai very sweetly accepts the prasad of Brahmin, and how Nimai himself shows his Vishwarup to his Brahmin, to his devotee. So this is how the story goes. Hope you'll all be enjoyed with our kids drama. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hey Nita.
Hare
Yeah.
Krishna.
And now you want to introduce the roles and who's playing the roles. Now that we've heard the story.
Oh.
Thank you.
Yes, Mataji. So Henita, she's playing the narrator of the story writer. Jyotish Swaroop is playing Jagannatha Mishra's character. Ujjwal is playing Nimai's character, and Vedanshi is playing the little Nimai's, how little Nimai shows his Vishwaroop, Krishna's Vishwaroop to his devotee. So Vedanshi is playing that character. Hope everybody performs well and you will be enjoying our drama. Hare Krishna.
Shall I start, Mataji?
Yes, Vedanshi. Yes, Henika, you can start.
బ్రాహ్మణుడి రాక. నవద్వీపం అనే పవిత్రమైన ఊరికి ఒకరోజు ఓ బ్రాహ్మణుడు వచ్చాడు. ఆయన ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా తన గోపాలుడిని వెంట తీసుకెళ్లేవాడు. గోపాలుడికి ముందు నైవేద్యం పెట్టిన తరువాతే ఆయన తినేవాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు దేవుడి విగ్రహాన్ని చూసుకుంటూ, బ్రాహ్మణుడు,
గోపాల, నేను చాలా నడిచా, కొంచెం ఆగుదా, నీకు వండి పెట్టాలి కదా.
జగన్నాథ మిశ్రా,
అయ్యో స్వామి, మీరు చాలా అలసిపోయినట్టున్నారు, మా ఇంటికి రండి, ఇది మీదే అనుకోండి.
జగన్నాథ మిశ్రా బ్రాహ్మణుడి పాదాలు కడుగుతాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు,
నేను ముందుగా గోపాలుడికి వండి పెట్టాలి, ఆయన తిన్నాకే నేను తింటాను.
జగన్నాథ మిశ్రా,
మా ఇంట్లో ఉన్న అన్నం, కూరగాయలు, పప్పు, పాలు అన్ని కృష్ణుడు, మీరు మంచిగా ప్రసాదం వండి పెట్టండి.
ఇప్పుడు బ్రాహ్మణుడు గోపాలుడికి వండి పెడతాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు భక్తితో వంట చేస్తున్నాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు,
హరే కృష్ణ కృష్ణ హరే హరే, హరే రామ హరే రామ, రామ రామ హరే హరే.
హరే కృష్ణ. వేదాంశి, నీ వాయిస్ రాలేదమ్మా.
బ్రాహ్మణుడు,
గోపాల, ఇది నీకోసమే, ప్రేమతో చేశాను, స్వీకరించు.
బ్రాహ్మణుడు గంట మోగించి కళ్ళు మూసుకుంటాడు. నిమాయి మెల్లగా వచ్చి తినడం మొదలు పెడతాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు,
అయ్యో ఇదేంటి బాబు, ప్రసాదాన్ని తాకేశాను.
జగన్నాథ మిశ్రా కోపంగా వచ్చాడు.
నిమాయ్, ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా వినవేంటి?
నిమాయి,
నాన్న, నాకు ఆకలి వేసింది. అయ్యో కొట్టకండి. ఆయన ఇంకా చిన్న పిల్లవాడు, నేను ఈరోజు ఉపవాసం ఉంటాను. అయ్యో స్వామి, అయ్యో స్వామి, మీరు ప్రసాదం మళ్ళీ పడండి, నేను జాగ్రత్త వహిస్తాను.
రెండోసారి నైవేద్యం. పొరుగింటి వాళ్ళు నిమాయిని బయట ఆడిపించడానికి తీసుకెళ్తారు. ఇక బ్రాహ్మణుడు మళ్ళీ వంట చేయడం మొదలు పెడతాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు,
కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ, కృష్ణ హరే హరే, హరే రామ హరే రామ, రామ రామ హరే హరే. గోపాల, ఇది నీకోసమే, ఈసారి ఏ అడ్డంకు లేకుండా స్వీకరించు.
బ్రాహ్మణుడు గంట మోగిస్తాడు. నిమాయి ఎక్కడి నుంచో వచ్చి మళ్ళీ తింటాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు,
అయ్యో మళ్ళీ విద్యా.
జగన్నాథ మిశ్రా,
ప్రసాదాన్ని నిమాయ్, ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా వినవేంటి? ఇది చాలా ఎక్కువైంది, నేను బంద్ చేసి పడుకోబెట్టాను.
నిమాయి,
నేను గోపాల అని పిలిస్తే నేను వచ్చాను.
రాత్రి మూడోసారి మళ్ళీ చివరిగా నైవేద్యం చేస్తాడు బ్రాహ్మణుడు. అందరూ నిద్రపోతారు. లైట్ కూడా చాలా తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. రాత్రి చాలా ఆలస్యంగా బ్రాహ్మణుడు మళ్ళీ వంట చేసి నైవేద్యం పెడతాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు:
గోపాల, ఇది చివరి ప్రయత్నం. ఈసారి ఎలాంటి అడ్డంకు లేకుండా స్వీకరించు.
బ్రాహ్మణుడు గంట మోగిస్తాడు. తలుపు తానే తెరుచుకుంటుంది. నిమాయి లోపలికి వస్తాడు. బ్రాహ్మణుడు:
అయ్యో, మళ్ళీ ఇదేనా? తలుపులు మూసిపెట్టాం కదా, నువ్వు ఎలా వచ్చా?
నిమాయి:
నువ్వు గోపాల అని పిలిస్తే నేను వచ్చాను, అంతే.
బ్రాహ్మణుడు భయంతో:
నువ్వు ఎవరు బాబు?
అసలు రూపం. ఫ్లూట్ శబ్దం, వెలుగు మారుతుంది. నిమాయి కృష్ణుడి రూపంలో వస్తాడు. కృష్ణుడు:
నేనే వచ్చాను. మునుపటి జన్మలో కూడా ప్రేమతో భోజనం పెట్టేవాడివి. నేనే నీ గోపాలుడిని.
బ్రాహ్మణుడు మోకాళ్ళపై పడుతూ:
కృష్ణ, నా గోపాల, నువ్వేనా పరబ్రహ్మ? పరం బ్రహ్మ పరం ధామ పవిత్రం పరమం భవం పురుషం శాశ్వతం దివ్యం ఆదిదేవమజం విభుం. ఈ రోజే నా జీవితం సార్థకమైంది.
కృష్ణుడు:
సాధారణంగా ప్రేమించు.
గోపాలుడు బ్రాహ్మణుడిని ఆశీర్వదిస్తాడు. మళ్ళీ చిన్న నిమాయి అవుతాడు. ఉదయం. జగన్నాథ మిశ్రా:
స్వామి, నైవేద్యం బాగా అయిందా?
బ్రాహ్మణుడు:
స్వయంగా గోపాలుడే వచ్చి తిన్నాడు.
బ్రాహ్మణుడు నిమాయిని ప్రేమగా చూస్తాడు. నిమాయి:
గోపాలుడికి నచ్చిందా?
బ్రాహ్మణుడు:
కృష్ణుడికి చాలా నచ్చింది.
అలా చివరికి బ్రాహ్మణుడు కృష్ణుడికి నైవేద్యం సమర్పిస్తాడు.
హరే కృష్ణ హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే 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 రామ హరే రామ 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 హరే హరే.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna, Hari
Hare
Bol.
Krishna, Hari Bol.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very beautiful. Very nice.
Nice to see kids performing. Very nice.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol, Gayatri Mataji.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
బాగా చేసావు, చాలా బాగా చేసావు అమ్మా. హరి బోల్. హరి బోల్. Kids. Very nice.
Hari Hari.
Hare Krishna.
Excellent children, all the best.
Hari Bol, Hari
Beautiful presentation, dear
Krishna
children.
Mataji.
Hare
बहुत
Krishna.
सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर. They are the torch bearer.
Can make you the host, Mataji.
చాలా బాగుంది మాతాజీ.
These kids are the torch bearer.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Remove the spotlight.
प्रभुपाद के चीजों को यही बच्चे आगे ले जाने वाले हैं.
దేవుడే వచ్చినట్టు ఉంది మాతాజీ.
Mataji, you can remove the spotlight and then.
Okay. Yeah, yes, Mataji. I'll make you co-host.
The host only can do the spotlight.
Yeah, they can remove the spotlight.
Thank you so much, children. Again, Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.
హరే కృష్ణ హరే హరి బోల్.
Okay, thank you so much, kids.
Gayatri
హరే
Mataji.
కృష్ణ,
They have really.
చాలా బాగుంది, సూపర్ గా ఉంది, బాగా ఉంది.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna all.
నైస్ కృష్ణ. హరి
I
బోల్.
just want to say thank
Yeah, Sheila Mataji, I think I muted you. You can unmute.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మాతాజీ. ప్రభుజీ.
Hare Krishna. Children, thank you so much. You've done a very good job. Thank you very much, Hari Bol. Gayatri Mataji, Hari Bol. Very nice effort with the children. Thank you so much, Hari
Yes,
Krishna.
వెరీ నైస్ గాయత్రి మాతాజీ. హరే కృష్ణ.
హరే కృష్ణ.
చాలా బాగా చేసావమ్మా.
హరే
వెరీ
కృష్ణ
నైస్. పిల్లలు
ప్రభుజీ.
కూడా
పిల్లలే
పిల్లలందరూ కూడా చాలా బాగా చేశారు.
అవునవును
రామకృష్ణ
ప్రభుజీ.
పిల్లలు కదా వాళ్ళు.
హరే కృష్ణ. హరే కృష్ణ.
Hare Krishna. Thank you. Okay, Hare Krishna. Now we will move towards the Tamil team. So who is there from Tamil team? Can you raise your hand?
Hare Krishna Mataji,
We can't see anybody.
for some reason they are not able to join Mataji.
Maybe they
Yeah.
are in the yatra. That
Yes,
may be the
Mataji.
case.
Yeah. Yes, Mataji.
No problem. So this is the last drama. Is there anybody else?
No, this is the last drama, Mataji.
Okay, this is the last drama. So, okay, so we will thank you all of you for especially all those kids because we understand we take time to even practice, but for kids to make them come together and we can see all the three of them in the same house, they're making so much efforts. And even in the previous week we have seen the Malayalam team or other teams who are putting so much effort to do these dramas. I felt like it's a festival. Like now in Mayapur, there is Kirtan festival, Kirtan Navdip Mandal Parikrama, and soon they are going to start Kirtan Fest all over. So I felt like this is drama festival, some sort of pleasure to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. So it won't happen by alone. It all happens through a teamwork. And Prabhupada always tells we have to cooperate with each other. So this is a wonderful service that we could do, being in online, because many people tell online is a restriction, but ISKCON Mangalore knows online is an opportunity to make everybody come together. So this is how even in the drama we are making online dramas. So thank you all the language leaders, first of all, for coming together and making this effort very beautifully come out, this Nitai Gauranga challenge. Without you, your endeavors, it was definitely not going to be possible, this challenge to come forward. And all the devotees who have been participating from the day one, whether you have attended all the Mangalartis or not, that's not the matter. The matter is your efforts. Every day, some devotees, I know it's very cold in the north, but still, with the sweater, with the jackets, they wake up, they come out, and they attend Mangalarti, they take bath and come do Mangalarti. And sometimes there is an issue with the network, by Mangalarti the net pack is over, still they put extra recharge just for the japa session. I have got the messages of such devotees also. So the efforts which you're putting in the challenge, वो कभी नहीं जाएगा. That will Krishna will give that efforts. So सभी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप सब आए इधर. और वीकली रिट्रीट इसीलिए ताकि हम एक दूसरे को देख सके कि हाँ दूसरे टीम वाले भी है, दूसरा तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा, मलयालम, south and north, all of them can be one in one Zoom meeting. So that's the purpose. So today is the last retreat, but not it's not the last of this year. That means there will be so many opportunities like this which will come, new challenges will come. So how do you all like this challenge? You can all unmute and tell, should we continue this type of challenge every month? Should we continue this type of challenge?
Yes,
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, very nice, very beautiful.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
yes, Mataji.
Especially kids to be encouraged. They are the
Yes.
future generation, future people.
Yes, thank you. Because this was because last time, as far as I know, it took a lot of time. 5 days or 6 days we had for Gaur Purnima Challenge 2025. But this time, when Prabhuji asked, I told we'll do 30 days challenge. I was scared. Yeah, I spoke to Gunashri Mataji. I spoke to Parth Prabhu. It's a 30 days challenge. I spoke to language leaders, and we were quite tensed. How will be the reaction of the devotees? Will they accept this 30 days challenge or not accept? How will be the retreat? What will be the program? So everything is planned and organized by all the language leaders, by all the backend team, which is happening, which is going on even now. Because once the event is done, we have to do certificates for them. We want volunteers for that. Not just that, many people have given the gifts for Radha Govinda, which was an unexpected thing because we just wrote, होगा तो होगा, नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, and we just wrote, अगर भेजेंगे तो भेजेंगे, मुझे नहीं पता, we were telling. And all of a sudden, we see every day devotees are sending one by one, and devotees in the temple, they are very astonished. Oh my God. And such beautiful artworks they are sending. So they were also, they were calling and they were telling, okay, this is how it is. So this was all there. So we are really, really thankful for all of you for giving this, coming forward and putting your efforts to this challenge. Ganesh Mataji, you can just tell some more things about this challenge which I missed. You can add more words.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I think you covered everything, but yeah, it was happy to be part of this, Mataji. Thank you for involving me. And it's always nice to, conduct these challenges and think of different ideas which we can have. So it is like together as a team, like though we are in different place. So it's so nice. It is one platform where we can come together with such challenges. So yeah, and we are looking forward and planning for such challenges or such in some get together for all the language, because within the language you keep meeting, you keep having association, but this is like an association outside the temple online. So not everybody can make it during festival times and all. So this is one way for us to be part together as a congregation. So very happy for this, and the way it is all, your people have so enthusiastically participated, like it increases our enthusiasm also, like out there. So thank you everyone for your such a beautiful contributions. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Thank you,
Mataji.
Mataji. Hare Krishna. So, and yes, another thing is that on 3rd of March, evening, they will present your gifts, whatever the gifts have been sent, they will be presenting, and also that they will be sending some written gifts to you all. No, it's like you're presenting something to Radha Govinda, and Radha Govinda also wants to give your loving exchange to you all, some prasadam or something, which will be decided soon and will be sent to you, those who have sent us, because it takes a lot of effort, lot of cost and everything. So we are very grateful to you. And also we are thinking that next month, also March, we can keep some challenges. For that, I need language leaders, their approval, and not just that, the particular language which is going to present, because this was, all of a sudden challenges which we are going to do. But we were just thinking that upcoming challenges can be a language, a language how yatras are presented. Like now, Tamil devotees, they are organizing the yatra, right? Then if you're going to Dwarka, then Gujarati devotees are presenting the yatra. So similarly, I was just thinking that we were thinking that each month a language will present a challenge for the entire congregation, not just for their language, for the entire congregation. So that would be an very, if it happens, it will be a very, very great thing. Because online devotees, they require this kind of challenges, which they enjoy. We could see this in these 30 days. I don't know. We have to discuss with the language leaders and come forward. Yes, any language leaders want to tell something, how you experienced being in a team and how it all went all through the challenge, from Mangalarti, Japa, and drama, shloka, how it all went on. Any language. Your challenges, your what you felt as a great strength, which you could find through this challenge. This language, my language has done such a great thing in this. I never knew it. Something that okay, I have to work on this in my language. What you felt in your language. Some language leaders can unmute and tell.
I think with the Telugu language, I was quite surprised for all the enthusiasm that many devotees have shown, especially the senior devotees who are in Bhakti Vaibhava and Bhakti Shastri. The newcomers were also very enthusiastic when when we introduced the topics and the challenge. They all started attending Mangalarti, they all started attending Japa, and they all attended the programs. A lot of them, I wouldn't say all, but a good number, I think, they're attending the Mangalarti and program too. I mean, when we post the messages properly and when they see it, we have a pretty reasonable, decent attendance from most of them. As far as the programs and participation, I was pleasantly surprised. I was not sure if, especially in the beginning, but people like some of them have missed the first one, like the Kirtan. Only very few people have seen the posting in the challenge. But once they've seen it, they've shown some of them especially have shown a lot of interest in taking part. And with the drama, we just decided that we will do it with the kids because just watching kids perform is always more fun for everybody. So, and I'm pleasantly surprised as to how the teacher and the children, they all came together and performed, and it just makes my heart full. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Hare
Yes,
Krishna.
Mataji.
Sri Lakshmi Mataji. Hare Krishna. Gurashri Mataji. Sadar Pranam to all and a heartfelt thanks to both of you that you have given this great opportunity to all of us to show our talent online. I mean, it's really great and amazing that online also we can really do certain things. It's starting from every challenge, every point of challenge, that the Mangal Aarti and the Japa session, then the Chaitanya Charitamrita session, everything is so amazing. And that seriousness, I think devotees could really get it. I mean, we could see it right from the second, third day only, the number was increasing like anything. And that was really amazing. And all of our Marathi devotees are also so enthusiastic. And it was a great response from all of them, even for the drama. Even for the drama, when we were practicing, it was a great experience. We have Puja Pran Chaitanya Prabhuji, who said yes for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's role. And it's amazing. I mean, the whole journey is so amazing. And thanks a lot to both of you and all the whole team, rather. And it's really amazing. So all the grace of Sri Sri Radha Govinda and all guidance of Sri Navanishta Prabhuji, we are really having this great platform, great divine platform to show our all talent. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Sadhu Pranam.
Thank you so much, Mataji. The drama was very, very, very beautiful. Khub chan.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much.
Mataji, Pran Prabhuji is there. Pran Chaitanya Prabhuji, you could just share something, Prabhuji?
Yes,
Hare Krishna.
Prabhu, Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna,
Pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Dandas
Pranam.
Mataji's Prabhuji's. So thank you so much for engaging all of us in the service. And to be honest, as many devotees spoke, it was very, very inspiring to see participation from so many devotees, from very young ones to the elderly and from across the languages. And not only me, even my family members, including wife, children, and my mother-in-law, they all enjoyed watching all the dramas and getting insights into various pastimes performed by Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So I think this is a very, very important part of the Krishna consciousness institution, to have different pastimes of the Lord depicted as in the drama format. And as Mataji mentioned earlier, we can definitely explore one group of language devotees performing these different types of challenges every month. So much appreciated, and thank you for allowing me to participate also, Mataji. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Prabhu, for participating. Thank you, being your student. I can just
No.
thank you so much, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Thank you. Yes, and also I want to thank Parth Prabhu also. He's not there at right moment because he's traveling all the way back from Sri Rangam. So he had been a very good, back end person. Whenever we were busy, he was there. Waking up from Mangalarti. Gunashri Mataji also making people wake up for Mangalarti. It takes a lot of effort. They should wake up before you, and they have to just put the message back to back. It takes a lot of efforts also. Thank you so much. Every language had some kind of a special thing to be noticed. If you see, some language was very good in sloka, some language was very good in drama, some language was very good in Mangalarti performance, some language was very good in reading sessions. This is the plus point when we come together. This makes not all the fingers are of same size, but when it comes together, it can, move a big stone also. So, making Prabhupada proud, making something come together. And we have seen because of reading session, many Chaitanya Charitamrita sets have been sold from the temple. And this is all glorious to Srila Prabhupada, because if he was not there, we would have never known Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and today we would have not done this Nitai Gauranga challenge. So we should always be grateful for Srila Prabhupada and do some sort of service to him. Small or big, doesn't matter. Just serve him in whatever capacity we have. So that's the only motive of this challenge. Whatever thing we have, we just want to give it to Srila Prabhupada as a gratitude. So that's the only motive we should have in our life. So Hare Krishna, thank you so much. Thank you to all the languages. And we will plan out for new challenges with our language leaders. I hope they are very enthusiastic and they will build a big team, upcoming a big team. Hare Krishna. So any participants want to give their realizations? It's not the end. Another 2 days are there. So don't miss Mangalarti, okay? Yes. Hare Krishna, any language, any teachers or anybody who wants to give some insights, what you felt through this challenge? Because this will be the last meeting. After that, we won't meet for this challenge. We will meet for some other challenges. So Hare Krishna, anybody wants to unmute and tell, you can tell him now. In your language, it's okay. If you are not comfortable with English, Hindi, in your language, you can tell. आपके जो लैंग्वेज में आपको कंफर्टेबल है उस लैंग्वेज में आप कुछ बोल सकते हैं. आपको जो अच्छा लगा, जो आपको इम्प्रूव करने, हमें कुछ इम्प्रूव करना है, तो वो भी आप फीडबैक दे सकते हैं. अच्छा लगा सब बोलते हैं, बट अगर कुछ फीडबैक है, इफ सम फीडबैक्स आर देयर, यू कैन गिव इट.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I do one small announcement then about the feedback?
Yes, Mataji, sure.
Telugu, I'm going to say in Telugu and then I can quickly repeat in English, but I just want to make sure everybody understands. సో తెలుగు డివోటీస్ ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది ఇంకా ఉన్నారని అనుకుంటున్నాను, కొంతమంది ఉన్నారు. సో ముఖ్యంగా నేను చెప్పదలుచుకుంది ఏమిటి అంటే, ఈ ఛాలెంజ్లో చాలా మంది పాల్గొన్నారు, కానీ మరి గ్రూప్లో మెసేజెస్ అన్నీ అందరూ అంత శ్రద్ధగా చూడడం లేదేమో అని నాకు అనిపించింది. అందుకని ఈ స్పెషల్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కానీ, చైతన్య చరితామృత క్లాసుకి కానీ మళ్ళీ రోజు మెసేజ్ పెడితే కానీ మనకి స్లోగా నంబర్ పెరగలేదు. సో మెసేజ్ ఛాలెంజ్లో మీరు పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినప్పుడు, మీరు ఆ గ్రూప్లో, వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు కొంచెం మీరు ఆ మెసేజెస్, ఎస్పెషలీ సాటర్డే ప్రోగ్రాము, చైతన్య చరితామృత క్లాసు, మంగళహారతి, ఇవే కదా. సో కొంచెం శ్రద్ధగా టైమ్స్, లింక్స్ నోట్ చేసుకుని అటెండ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్రయత్నిస్తే బాగుంటుంది. మంగళహారతి చాలా మంది చేస్తారు, కాకపోతే చైతన్య చరితామృత క్లాస్ కూడా మరి రోజు మనం లింక్స్ పంపిస్తున్నాము. ఈ సాటర్డే ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఇవన్నీ ఇంకొకసారి కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే మీరు అడగొచ్చు, అడిగి కనుక్కోవచ్చు. సో అదొక్కటి దయచేసి చేయండి. మీకు అర్థం కానిది ఏదైనా ఉంటే అడగడానికి సందేహించొద్దు. మీరు గ్రూప్లో కూడా పోస్ట్ చేయటానికి వీలైతే చేయొచ్చు, లేదంటే మీరు మెసేజ్ పంపించవచ్చు. హరే కృష్ణ. Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. I just said one thing. There was a little bit, I felt like there was a communication gap, I mean, at least within our department for certain things. Like the very first Saturday program, when there was a kirtan competition. We had one or two that volunteered. And then afterwards, in the last minute, some people came forward because they didn't see the message in the group. So I'm just requesting them next time to pay a little more attention, especially to those weekly programs which don't happen every day, like Aarti and Chaitanya Charitamrita class also. When we start, every day I post it before the class and then I say, please join. Then I see more participation, obviously, but it would be nice if, if we can make a note of the class and the time, and then just make sure we attend every day, even without reminders. So I just wanted to mention that, and I did. Thank you, Mataji, for letting me.
Thank you, Mataji. Yes. So further, we'll keep in mind that we create different groups in one community where the languages can freely message themselves. Because what happens is, if हम message भेज रहे हैं मंगला आरती का, it will be crowded with so many messages and people might not see it.
That's
So
true.
we'll make a we got this feedback also कि अगर आप अलग अलग ग्रुप बनाओगे languages wise तो लोगों को आसानी होगी. तो हम नेक्स्ट टाइम से ऐसा वी वर ट्राइंग, इस बार भी ट्राई कर रहे थे बट कुछ टेक्निकल इशू के वजह से हम वो कर नहीं पाए क्योंकि वो व्हाट्सएप बार बार ब्लॉक हो रहा था और जो भी ग्रुप में आ रहा था ग्रुप डिलीट हो रहा था अपने आप. तो कुछ ऐसा टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम था तो इसलिए फिर हम लोगों ने किया कि हम लोगों ने फिर एक ही ग्रुप में सारा लैंग्वेज डाल दिया. सो इट वाज अ लिटिल हेक्टिक बिकॉज बहुत सारे मैसेजेस आ रहे उसमें, लोग देख नहीं रहे. तो अगली बार हम देखेंगे कि अलग अलग ग्रुप बनाएंगे और उसको एक कम्युनिटी में डाल देंगे ताकि आपका जो ग्रुप है आपका पर्सनल लैंग्वेज का, मतलब हिंदी का है तो सारे हिंदी के डिवोटीज हो उसमें. तो ऐसे होगा तो कि इंग्लिश का है तो इंग्लिश का, कन्नड़ा का है तो कन्नड़ा का. तो इन दिस वे ऑल द लैंग्वेजेस कैन बी सेग्रीगेटेड सेपरेटली. We'll see to that.
Will
Okay.
there be one common group too, or just separate groups for each language, Mataji? If there's any-
Separately grouped and one community. Like एक community जहाँ पे we will be sending the messages and different groups for your language so that it will be easy for you to communicate also
Very good.
in
Thank
that
you.
way. Yes, we'll see. We'll see how it will be working out. Okay.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
I would like to share a few words.
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji,
Yeah,
I
Mataji.
will take leave then. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Dhanyavad for everything. Thank you so much for your time, your support, your guidance, and advice. So I really thank you and Gunashri Mataji for all your efforts. I know it takes a lot. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
Mataji.
much,
Hare
Mataji.
Krishna.
Srila Prabhupada.
Krishna Mataji.
Yes, Jyotilash Mataji.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Mataji. I just wanted to say it was the past 1 month was really a very nice time I had with interacting with devotees and encouraging them. In fact, they were inspiring me to do more. Like for Mangalarti, people were putting all sort of messages so that people wake up on time, attend the japa, attend the Mangalarti, attend the classes. And it was so encouraging for me also. It was like inspiring me to do more. And we like to say to see all the different languages. There was this healthy competition. Like our team will go more ahead in Mangalarti attendance. Then we will do good drama. We will learn more shlokas. We have seen all the effort that all the devotees, not only Kannada, but all other devotees have done such a wonderful presentation in everything, whatever they have taken up, whether it is shlokas or drama or Mangalarti, anything. It was very inspiring, Mataji. I just wanted to tell that all the participants आप लोग जो सब लोग ने भाग लिया है इस चैलेंज में, इसे आप बनाए रखिए। आप रोज मंगल आरती अटेंड कीजिए। ये नहीं कि ऐसा नहीं कि निताई गौरंगा चैलेंज खत्म हो गया तो चलो कल से सो जाते, जपा भी अपने टाइम में करते। नहीं, ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में आपने अभी किया है, चालू किया है, तो उसे आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए।
Yes.
ये आपके आध्यात्मिक आध्यात्मिक जीवन में बहुत आपको हेल्प करेगा। And you're attending classes, learning about the glories of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, about Krishna. Continue it. Everybody, my request to everyone is just to continue it. Thank you, everybody, for your encouragement and your support. Hare Krishna, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Mataji. Yes, please continue. Don't stop here. Continue. Keep continuing. Reading. Many of them who have purchased Chaitanya Charitamrita set, start reading it. And those who have at home, please don't ignore. Open. If you have not opened the cover, please open, read it. And if you have not read for months, start reading it today. It's so sweet. Chaitanya Charitamrita is so sweet. Prabhupada says any chapter you take, it's the most sweetest. Rasgulla, right? So start. If you have not bought a copy, please do buy. If you prefer online, but do read it. It's a very good, at least 20 minutes a day. You can just read it. Chaitanya Charitamrita is not like bulky Srimad Bhagavatam where purports are long, or no, nothing like that. It's a very sweet. Prabhupada has given a crisp purports, a beautiful translation. Please do read it. Okay.
Mataji, one more
And
point.
yes,
Yeah,
Mataji.
one more point. I would say we usually say do it for the pleasure of the Lord, do it for the pleasure. Yes, that does come. But when we are just beginning our spiritual life, we'll think, where is God? I can't see him. So why my first advice would be do it for yourself. We always find 100 reasons why I can't get up for Mangalarti, why I can't get up in Brahma Muhurta to do japa. Do it for yourself first. Do it. You are doing so many things for your family, for your job, boss, and your life, everything. But what about your personal self, your Atma? Do that japa, do that Mangalarti attending for yourself. Then slowly, when you get the taste of it, then you will understand what it means to do it for the pleasure of the Lord. जब पहले आप अपने लिए टाइम निकाल के मंगलारती अटेंड कीजिए, कुछ भी हो, आप मंगलारती ना मिस करें, कुछ भी हो, आप जपा ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में ही करें। ये आप अपने लिए कीजिए, बाकी का सब काम हो जाएगा, अपना फैमिली का हो या जॉब का हो, एवरीथिंग सब अपने अपने टाइम में हो जाएगा। लेकिन बाद में करते करते हमें वो पता चलेगा कि ये हम भगवान के लिए करना चाहिए, ये क्यों करना चाहिए। हमको हमें अपने आप से वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाएगा कि क्यों करना चाहिए। that's all. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol, Mataji. Thank you for this wonderful advice, because it's very important. The first spiritual step is for ourselves, right? When we feel Krishnaized, when we feel, then only we can give it to others, right? So हम खुद करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद ही हम दूसरों को बोल सकते हैं कि आप भी करो। जब अगर हम ही नहीं कर रहे, हमको ही टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है, तो हम क्या ही बोलेंगे दूसरों को करो करो करके। हमारे पास ही 2 रुपए नहीं है, हम क्या 10 रुपए देंगे 2 लोगों को, है ना? So first is ourself. We do it for our own sadhana. Many of them, they wrote that our sadhana is spiking up. So don't come it down. Don't make it come down. Please keep going. Whatever we have done till now, don't forget it. Every month, if no challenge is organized, don't worry. You make your own challenge. Na? Now Ram Navami is coming. You try to please Lord Ram. Right? This time you tell, okay, now Mangalarti is for Ram Navami challenge. My own Ram Navami challenge. No Guneshri Mataji is coming. No Sri Lakshmi Mataji is, nobody's coming. I am making my own challenge. 30 days till March 27, Ram Navami. I'm going to wake up. You yourself make a vow that I am going to wake up every day for Mangalarti. I am going to read Srimad Bhagavatam every day for at least for 30 minutes. I am going to read my own Srimad Bhagavatam, maybe the Ram Navami section, Lord Ram section. Do it something for your own self. I will by heart some shlokas which is related to Lord Ram. कुछ अपने आप कीजिए, हम दूसरों को फोर्स करने नहीं, अपने आप को फोर्स कीजिए कि हाँ मैं करूंगा ये चैलेंज। अपने आप को एक चैलेंज दीजिए, दैट्स द बेस्ट, and do it with determination. Yes, Hare Krishna. So thank you all for joining. Still 2 more days
There
are
are
there.
lots
This is
of
not the
message,
last day.
Mataji. And in the chat, there are a lot of messages. And there's one message is please continue sending link for Mangalarti and Japa.
अरे अरे इतनी बार भेजा है बाय हार्ट हो जाना चाहिए.
सेम लिंक चलेगा माता जी. हरे कृष्णा. सेम लिंक चलेगा.
हाँ माता जी,
सेम
जो
लिंक
सुबह हम
माता जी.
भेजते हैं ना.
मैंने सेव करके रखा है, लेकिन मुझे डाउट था कि आफ्टर चैलेंज शायद चेंज हो जाए.
नहीं
थैंक यू
नहीं
सो मच.
माता जी.
वो
हाँ
t.ly टेम्पल करके है ना, वही लिंक है.
जी, क्योंकि वो आदत बन गई
हाँ,
है, अब वो छूटनी नहीं चाहिए.
छूटनी नहीं चाहिए, कभी नहीं, जिंदगी भर रखनी है.
जी. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
जी.
हरे कृष्णा.
नींद में भी वो लिंक क्या था ना. हाँ, t.ly.
हाँ, वो 3 बजे से ही दिमाग में शुरू हो जाती है मंगला आरती.
हरी बोल.
इसलिए आज ग्रुप में डाला पोल में, डिड यू डू मंगला आरती इन द ड्रीम? People were less today because of that. I got some shock, like अरे कम कैसे हो गए
थैंक यू
लोग,
सो मच. थैंक यू.
सपने में ही मंगला आरती करके सो गए क्या? So please come, don't miss it. Mangala Aarti is the best, and Prabhupada always emphasized on Mangala Aarti, always. Every devotee, whether it's a temple devotee, congregation devotee, online devotee, no problem where you are, how you are. Even I have seen devotees, they have purchased the SIM which they use only for Mangala Aarti.
यस.
Like डाटा पैक होता है ना, वो सिर्फ मंगला आरती के लिए यूज करते हैं वो लोग, और कुछ किसी और चीज के लिए नहीं. सच अ कमिटमेंट, oh my God. So it's a very, very blessing that we have come to this movement, and we are just see material people are committed to so many things. We are committed to Shri Shri Radha Govinda, who is eternal. So why not something to do for Shri Shri Radha Govinda and for our own self. Okay, Hare Krishna. So yes, I feel like not ending. I don't know.
Same here,
Okay.
Mataji. It's nice.
It's nice to see devotees come together. Yes, anyways, it's time, so devotees have to go. Please do come for tomorrow's Mangalarti. Mangalarti का number कम नहीं होना चाहिए. Language leaders, it's your responsibility now to wake them up. Ours is done. Another 2 days we'll finish our Alram. Now language leaders Alram will start. Utto. Okay. Yes, Hare Krishna. So we can end here. Hare Krishna.
All those stickers are amazing, Mataji. सुबह सुबह देख के इतना, that's inspiring. Wake up, get up. That is amazing. Hari bol, Hare Krishna.
All girls to WhatsApp Prabhuji and ChatGPT. Okay. Hare bol, Hare Krishna. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय. श्रीला प्रभुपाद की
जय.
हरे कृष्णा. Thank you.
Manish Das Prabhuji ki
Thank
jai.
you so
Thank you so
much.
much, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji.
Thank you, everybody. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
धन्यवाद.
हरे कृष्ण.
ಪುರಪೋದು 50 ಜನ ಏತಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗಂಟೆ ಎಡಮ ಇವನ ಎಲ್ಲ
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे
हरे
हरे
हरे
राम
हरे राम, हरे राम, राम राम, हरे हरे.